Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will learn to filter out some specific email attachments from your Microsoft Outlook email inbox and save those attachments into your Dropbox automatically. So guys, many a times we want to save some attachments separately in a separate space so that we can keep the data safe, and also email attachments takes space. So if you keep receiving emails with attachments, eventually you will run out of space in your email inbox, and if you don't save the data and start cleaning the space, you will be afraid that you might lose some important data. So this automation is going to help you a lot in this. Let me show you how. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation here. As and when you receive a particular email with a particular type of attachment in Microsoft Outlook, which is a part of Microsoft Office 365, the same specific attachment is going to be saved in your Dropbox automatically. Okay, so you do not need to manually sort out the specific attachments and download it and save it here. So it will surely save a huge amount of your time and energy, and after that you can clean your space in Microsoft Outlook freely. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link that we have pasted in the description for you. That is pabbly.com/connect, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach this page, and from here click on this access now button of Pabbly Connect and you will land on the red dashboard. And here you have to click on this create workflow button to create a workflow, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as filter email attachments from MS Outlook. Okay, let the name be like this only. After filling the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. Okay, and on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So automation work on these two things, guys. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or starts this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called email parser, and what we are going to do then, we are going to send a email here in this inbox of MS Outlook, and that email is going to be forwarded to a email parser's address here in this workflow. Okay, so we'll get a email forwarded here from our MS Outlook email inbox. Okay, and that will act as a trigger. So this means receiving of a particular email with a particular kind of attachment will act as a trigger for this automation. Okay, so first of all, set up the trigger and select email parser from this choose app field, and it will give you this address. Okay, so we are going to forward the particular type of emails from our inbox to this address. Okay, and we'll capture the data of that emails here in the response. Okay, let me show you. You can read these instructions to make the connection, how you can make the connection with email parser. I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. Just copy this email parser's address from here and come here on the MS Outlook or Microsoft Outlook inbox. From here you will find this settings icon on the top right corner. Click on settings. Under the settings, when you scroll down, you will find this view all Outlook settings option. Click on it, and here on this page you will find this forwarding option here. Click on forwarding. Okay, and you have to check this box, enable forwarding, and here forward my email to. In this field you have to paste the email parser address that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so just copy this address from here and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, check this also, keep a copy of forwarded messages. If you want to keep a copy inside your inbox, you can keep that also. Okay, then click on save. All right, so let me sign in again. So guys, we have added a forwarding address here, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send a email from a different email ID to here in this Outlook inbox, and we are going to see that that email will be captured here in this response. You can see it started showing waiting for the response as I have copied this email parser's address, and now we are going to send an email to this email address where we have applied the forwarding. Okay, so let me open another email account of. So guys, let me compose a email here from this email ID. This is the email ID of Michael Karas. Okay, and he's sending a resume to this Outlook account. Okay, right, so let me type the email address of the Outlook account, which is this ashira@outlook.com. The subject would be resume, and with the help of this keyword inside the subject, we are going to filter out the emails. Okay, and here I am adding the content as please find the resume attached. Okay, so I'm just showing you the example, and here I'm attaching a file. So let me attach a file here. So I'm attaching this file. Okay, the name of the file is currentgen2. Okay, and this is a PDF kind of file, and I'm sending this email by clicking on send, and you can see the email is delivered. Let's check in Outlook account if we got a new email. So I'm refreshing the inbox, and you can see we have received a new email from Michael Karas with resume as the subject. Okay, and let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this email forwarded to our parser or not. And you can see in this response we got the data of the email got forwarded here, and it is showing the display name from Michael Karas from this address, subject is this, and here you can see all the data related to this email is forwarded here, and you will find the file link also that we have attached inside the email. Okay, so you can see in this attachment link label we have the link of the file. Okay, this is the PDF files link. Now guys, what I want to filter out some specific kind of emails. So for that to happen, I am going to apply a filter here inside our workflow. So just click on filter from this actions tab, and by which value we want to filter out, we want to filter out the emails by the subjects. So if the subjects of the emails have this keyword as resume, then only we want to save the attachments inside our Dropbox. Okay, so for this to happen, in the filter you can see it is asking to select the label. So by clicking here on the select label option, you will find this email parser step in the drop down, and from here I am going to select this label. Let me show you the subject label in which we got the subject. This is the header subject label, and you can map this subject here in this filter step by clicking on this email parser. You will find the subject label like this. Make the filter type equals to, and in the value put here resume. Okay, manually. Okay, and now click on save and send test request, and you can see the condition is true, the status is success. Okay, so this means whenever you receive an email inside your Outlook inbox with the subject having this word resume, then the condition will met true, and this workflow will run, and the emails attachment will be saved inside your Dropbox. Okay, now guys, to save the file in Dropbox, just click here on this plus icon, and another actions tab will open up. From here you have to search for Dropbox application. This is it, and in the action event select upload file option. So it will upload a file to a specific folder. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Dropbox. Okay, so it will bring you to the login window of Dropbox if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in here in Dropbox, it got connected here like this, you can see. we are connected. So now it is asking for the file URL, for the file's name and the folder path. Okay. So guys, you will find these three things from this test data that we have fetched here in the first step. Here we have received the files URL in this last label. You can see in this attachment link label we have the files URL. So but we do not have the name of the file. You can see we have the name of the file also in this link. You can see current gen 2 is the name of the file which is attached in this link only. So we can separate this name by using a feature of Pabbly which is called text formatter. So you can just click on this plus icon in between these two steps. You will find a plus icon, click on it and search for text formatter feature of Pabbly, text formatter. Okay, and in the action event you can select this option, text parser. Okay, so it will parse out a text by giving text match. Okay, just select this, then click on connect, and now it is asking text to enter. So here I am going to map this attachment link label. Okay, so to map it, just click here and you will find this email parser step in the drop down, and when you click on it you can see all the data you have received in the first step, and from here only you can map this attachment link. Okay, now it is asking text match after. So here you have to enter the text after which you want to extract the string. Okay, so I want to extract this string from this underscore. Okay, so just put here an underscore sign like this, and in the text before we have this string at the last, so there is no need to enter anything here in the text before field, because here you have to enter the text before which you want to extract the string. So if you have something in between the sentence, you have to put both of these things. Okay, let's say I want to parse out this attachment word, then I have to use this slash here in the text match after and another slash here in the text match before. Okay, right now we have this string in the last, so I have just used this underscore here in the after. No need to fill anything in the before field. Okay, just click on save and send test request, and you can see in the result table we got the name of the file, current gen2.pdf. Okay, so now we are ready with the data to map here, and let us you have to make the connection again with Dropbox, because guys we have added two steps in between before this step. Okay, in between these steps. So now when you click here you don't see the previous steps. So just click on connected, select existing connection, click on save again, and you will be connected again. And now when you click, it will start showing you the 3 steps. So guys, from this first step, first of all let me map the file URL label, which is this. In the file name I'm going to use second step, and I'm going to map this result label. And in the folder path you have to enter the address of the folder in which you want to add or save these attachments. Let me show you. This is my Dropbox account and this is a folder I am using. The name of the folder is resume. Okay, so the folder path would be this /resume. Okay, this slash and then this resume. So just copy this name of your folder and go back to your workflow, put a slash here like this and paste the name of the folder. Okay, you can read the instructions to get the folder name. Okay, now you can check your connection with Dropbox by clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a test attachment will be saved here in this folder. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request. Okay, let's see what happens. And you can see this is the response we have received here. Let's check in our Dropbox if we got a new file added. So I'm refreshing my Dropbox folder, and you can see a new file got added here automatically, the name as current-gen-2.pdf. This is the same file guys that I have mapped here and whose data we have received in the parser step. So this is how it is going to work guys. So our automation is working properly, and you have to set up this automation like this only once. You have to select email parser by Pabbly in the trigger, fetch a test emails data here like this by sending a demo email to your Outlook. You can receive this data. After that, select text formatter to get this name separated from the link from the attachment link label. Okay. After that, apply a filter to filter out particular type of emails with the help of any word in the subject. Okay, you can do this. After that, connect Dropbox and map the required details. So when you map the data like this, what will happen after setting up this automation, as and when you receive any email with a word resume in the subject, this data will be passed out and will be changed automatically, and you will receive a file here automatically inside your Dropbox. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.